Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Intune Company Portal app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Intune Company Portal is an enterprise app developed by Microsoft, designed to help employees securely access corporate resources and manage their devices. The app provides device enrollment, policy compliance monitoring, app distribution, and secure access to company data. It also supports multi-platform integration, real-time updates, and streamlined device management for IT administrators. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by corporate users and IT teams for its clean interface, reliable security features, and smooth integration with Microsoft 365. Users can easily enroll devices, access approved apps, and stay compliant with organizational policies. IT admins benefit from centralized management and monitoring of devices across the organization. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional syncing delays, configuration challenges, or difficulty with certain device enrollments. Additionally, new users may find initial setup slightly complex without proper guidance, and full functionality relies on organizational configuration rather than personal use. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Intune Company Portal app may be worth using if you're part of an organization looking for secure, managed access to corporate resources. It excels in device management, security, and integration with Microsoft services. However, individual users outside of enterprise setups may find limited value. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.